Hi, I'm Mark at the Caravan place. We're going to show you how to make the front set of seats into a bed, but we're also going to challenge you to see if you can make the bed up as fast as possible. So I'm going to make the bed up first, and then we're going to do a time challenge that we want you to send your videos in and see if you can beat our time, and we'll crown the winner at some point in the future. So it's literally just pull the front section out, and then the two back cushions drop into the middle, as so. So I'm going to put it back together and we'll do the challenge. Oh no, it's all fell to pieces. Should we edit this bit out?
Just pull it back to where it was and then push it back in, and then we can crop it and push it. Oh, it's going to...
videoing.
Yeah.
I'd leave it down.
Okay then.
Right, I fixed it. Now we're going to do the fixed bed challenge. You're going to say ready, steady, go?
Ready, steady, go!
Okay. Don't fall to pieces. Oh no! Went better than this in the practice. And I'm done.
10 seconds.
10 seconds, come on. Can you beat that? Send us your videos.